Hello, and today, of course, we're back with free online games. You guys didn't see last time? You went to fog.com. It was, and it was called, let me think, Stupid Games Part 1. And it was stupid. Today we're gonna be checking out another one of them. This one's called Agame.com. And today, okay, cool. Today, at the end of this video, we're gonna be, checking out, and we're gonna be rating how stupid this one was. So yeah. Today we're gonna be checking out as small as this, I don't know, Five Nights at Freddy's. What about Uphill Rush 6? I hope that this one's better than Fog.com, because Fog.com was just hilarious. You guys have to see that video. And if you didn't see the last video, spoilers, there was five commercials of the same.
Bring Excel.
I need to lower the volume of this. What? Why? Why? I want to play this game. Well, I guess we're not playing this game. What about Waterfall Rush? Oh my goodness, I've watched two of the same commercials. Oh, and hey guys, hope you're having a good day. The stupid level is already 5. Is this okay volume for you guys? Because if it isn't, I can lower the volume. My mom to put it to a loud volume. Okay, I'm not gonna do this one, because apparently it's not working. Okay, what about this game? Oh, 30 games. Online game, It says that Fort of Empire is pretty good. Wizard 101. What is this game? Let's try this game. You know what? Do you think hit 5 likes on this video and we'll do a series of just this game. Oh wait, no, never mind, not this game. No, sorry, I can't play this game. It has, it asks you what your username is and all of that stuff. I'll do that in the next video when I have some private time to do that. I'll do that in the next video. It's just that I don't want to do it in front of you guys because that's my personal information. Yeah. I'll do it in the next video, and then But just try to hit 5 likes. Hello? Say hello.
Hello. Is my phone up here?
I don't think so. Wait, no, I don't think so.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry, bye.
That mom. No, it's just gonna be like the exact, yeah, it's the exact same thing. Oh. Oh my gosh, I almost. Best fun game. I'll try. This game. I hope this is. Okay, now. If you guys don't know what a flash is, it just like brings you to the game. Stealing an egg? What the heck? Do you guys see that? Like right there, it says stealing an egg. Stealing whose egg? Whose egg are you stealing? What? Okay. I can't play this game either. I'm not putting in any of my I'm sorry guys, it's just sad. I'm not putting in any of my information. No. 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 And if you guys were wondering what I searched up, I literally searched up free online games. That's literally what I searched. Press this, and it just brings me to everything Poke.com. Pokemon, gotta catch them all. Ooh, what about Slash the Rope? I think we actually found something that is not stupid. I think we actually did it. Hooray for us! Oh, but it is still stupid finding stuff. Like agame.com. Remember that? Remember that? That was amazing. I couldn't access any games. Slash the rope. Play. Oh, this is way too loud still. I'm gonna... Okay, this should be fine. Cannot be moved. Oh, you have to wait until you're in the right spot. Yep. That person did it. Oh god, that seems painful. Oh, boom. Restart. Hello, guys. Did I do my intro? Yes! What? A bouncy? Do I want bouncy? I love that noise. Oh. Oh, I think I did the wrong one first. Wait, what? Say hello! Dude.
Hello, I found my phone.
Oh, cool. Where was it?
On your bed.
Oh.
Is that game any good?
Oh, this has been one of the less stupider videos.
Oh.
I'm still gonna call it stupid games.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and I said something that I'm not gonna show them personal, anything like personal, like my password or anything. But we need to set that up for the next video.
Okay.
Cause I said I would play it, but I'm not gonna show it on here.
Okay.
I think I got the right thing. No! Oh my god, am I really that dumb? Oh my goodness, you can just knock that down. Oh, yeah, he's gonna go off the screen. Am I really that dumb? I thought you had to launch it, and I was like, what the? Yes! First try. I'm just good at this game. No. Once I do this. Tell me if you're liking these stupid games videos. You gotta be careful. Well, actually, that's a good place to end it off. See you guys in the next video. Oh, see ya.